Then a frog came along. Then a cat came along.
Knock, knock. Who's that?
Cat.
Hello, cat. Come in.
Happy birthday, I have a present for you.
Fantastic. What is it? A camera, a pencil, a book. Oh, a book.
Then a dog came along.
Wow, wow. Who's that? I don't know. Hello, dog. Come in. Happy birthday. Fantastic. What is it? A camera, a pencil, a book. Oh, a pencil. That's
Then a cow came along.
Moo, moo. Dog. Who's that?
Is cow.
Hello, cow. Come in.
Happy birthday, little elephant. What is a present for you?
Fantastic. What is it? A camera, a pencil. Oh, let's see.
Then a Dr. Monkey came along.
No. Who's that?
It's Dr. Monkey.
Oh no,
Open the door.
I like this.
Please open the door.
1, 2, and 3. Come in, doctor.
I put a present for you.
Fantastic.